Hello. So, um, I got an injury 2 days ago when we were cycling from Germany to Czech Republic after our first 80 kilometers. I had to stop somewhere suddenly and I placed my legs on the ground. And it was very freezing when we were cycling that day. So I didn't feel what happened, my knee, I didn't feel any injury, only during the evening when suddenly the pain was unbearable and I couldn't walk. So what happened is the next day I went to Karlovy Vary Hospital and the doctor treated me, and the problem is with the ligament connecting the tibia bone, the shin bone, with the knee. So this place here is damaged. I had a torn in the ligament and I cannot cycle for at least a week. And this is going to be my new best friend. Yeah, I have to cycle with that from now on. What to do? And at the moment we are checking our options to maybe have a little road trip with our bike and our luggage down to Horny when our host for a workaway is waiting for us. So thank you for the interest and sending so many options what we can do on our page. And I just want to let you know I'm all fine and I just need to rest. And bye from me and cheers.